Satan going at Judas with him called Iscariot. Him a did one of Jesus 12 apostles them. So Judas go at the chief priest and the top man them we guard the temple, fi talk about how him could have sell out Jesus and give him over to them. Them glad so till and promise to pay him. Judas make bargain with them and him wait for the chance when the crowd not there to give over Jesus to them. Now the early day when people nyam bread without yeast did come. When the time come for them nyam it, Jesus and him apostle them sit down at the table. Jesus said to them, say, "You no know how me did well want the time I come so me could have nyam the Passover food ya we don't know before me suffer. Me now go nyam it again till me reach in a God kingdom." Jesus take up the cup and give God thanks. Then him said to them, say, "Take this and share it up amongst one another. Me I tell you this, me now go drink wine again till God kingdom come." Jesus take up the bread, give God thanks, and broke it up and give them and say, "This is my body, when me I go give up for no sake. Uno fi do this fi remember me." I see him so when them done yam, him take the cup and say, "The wine here are the new promise what God make with me blood. We are going to pour out for you now. But look, the man we are going to sell me out, they right us at the table with we. It done decide already, or the man we God pick, I go dead. But trouble for the one we sell him out." Them thought we ask them one another, and which one of them would have do that? Then the apostle them thought cuss about which one of them have the top position in the group. Jesus tell them, say, "The kingdom will rule over the world, boss up them people, fi do what them want them fi do. And them way in a power, call themselves the people them friend. But uno know fi galang like a them. The one we have the top position, fi go on like the one where they are the bottom. And the leader fi go on like the servant. Tell me something. Who are you now? The one we sit down at the table or the one we are serve? Not the one we at the table, but me there amongst you I serve. Uno stand with me when me did I go through the trouble them. And now me a make uno king. Just like how fi me father make me king. So uno can yam and drink at me table in a me kingdom, sit down pan throne and judge Israel 12 tribes them." Then Jesus asked them, say, "The time me did send you without money and tell you nothing pack no bag or carry no other slippers, you did short or nothing?" Them answer Jesus say, "No, we ain't short or nothing." Jesus tell them, say, "No, if you don't have money, carry it with you. If you don't have one bag, carry it too. And if you don't have no sword, sell you no jacket and buy one." Me I tell you, it right down say, and them call out him name with all the criminal them. What right down? I fear happen. And me to talk about, and it a go on right now, and it a go done soon. Him follower them say to him, "Lord, see two sword ya." "That we do," Jesus say. When Jesus did still attack, all of a sudden one crowd come down. One of Jesus' 12 apostles them, the one we named Judas, did a lead them. Him go fi kiss Jesus. But Jesus asked him say, "Judas, you go use one kiss and sell out the man we God pick?" The man them we did a guard Jesus start laugh after him and beat him up. Them put cloth over him and say, "So you say you're a prophet? So tell we, who lick you?" And them tell him other terrible sitting to shame him and make him feel bad. Pilate call up the chief priest them, leader and people them, and say, "You no carry that man you come to me and claim say I broke out the people them." Me question him in front of uno and see say him not do none of the sitting them we uno a blame him for. Me we just punish him and let him go. Pilate said this cause every Passover them always set one prisoner free. The whole crowd shout out, "Kill Jesus! Give we Barabbas!" Barabbas did in a prison cause him lead people to fight against them ruler and him did kill people. Pilate did want to let go Jesus, so him talk to the crowd again. But them keep on a shout, "Kill him pan the cross! Kill him pan the cross!" Pilate asked them again. That make 3 times. What make? Why him do wrong? Me not find say him do nothing wrong for we kill him. Me we punish him and then let him go. But them not tap shout out say them fi kill Jesus pan the cross. Them shout so tell them win. So Pilate give them what them want. Him lego the man where them did ask for. The one where did make people fight against them ruler and where did murder people. And Pilate give them Jesus fi do what them want do with him. Now I did about middle day. The whole place turned dark right back till about 3 o'clock. After it get dark and the big thick curtain in the temple split in two, Jesus bawled out loud. "Father, me put my spirit in your hand." As Jesus said it so, him dead. You did have one man when named Joseph, we belong to the council. Him did one good and honest man, and never did go for what the rest of council member them did decide to do. Him go a Pilate go ask him for Jesus' body. Him take down Jesus' body and wrap it up in a linen cloth and put him in a one tomb we dig in a one rock when nobody never bury in a yet. The woman them we come with Jesus from Galilee, follow Joseph and see the tomb and how Jesus' body did put on in it. Then them go a them yard, go look about spice and perfume.